All right, hey guys, good morning, and welcome to Forex Trading, your trading group. I'm Mark, aka Prime FX, and my partner's Cash, and we're here to teach you guys everything day trading in these markets to start making you profitable on a daily basis. A quick disclaimer: we're not a buy or sell channel. Let me repeat that: we are not a buy or sell channel. We use technical and fundamental analysis to find potential opportunities in these markets to bank pips, which we then convert into money. So if anyone's looking for someone who's going to give them signals or tell them to buy now or sell now, straight up, you are on the wrong stream. My apologies. But if you guys are looking to trade these forex markets the profitable way, and of course, if you're looking to trade the forex strategy live, then stick around, guys, because that's exactly what we are going to do. Okay. I hope you guys are having a good day. I hope you'll had a good London session as well. Yeah. Okay. All of that being said, we're not financial advisors. Okay. Any trades that you take upon yourself. Don't be risking more than 0.5% or 1% on any given trade at any given time, and just have your risk management and control all the time. Okay. Now that we have all of that out of the way, I'm going to start to share my screen with y'all. Okay, let me know when y'all see my screen. Serious Stan, hi. We can, thank you, Zero. Varad, hi everyone. What about 6 o'clock? News Impact, good morning. Hey guys, hi. Good morning, Space. Morning, guys. Hope you're having a good day. Okay, so let's take a look at everything that we have charted up. Okay, so the indices, as y'all can see, nice solid drop on the indices. Very steady downtrend that is currently on in these markets, and the RSI, as y'all can see, has also been extremely oversold. We're starting to build into a little bit of divergence on Nasdaq, and it's actually pretty similar on the dirty as well. Okay, so I'm not saying that the markets couldn't sell off; they could, but my bias is going to be towards the buys. Okay, so maybe if we start to break this region, I'm going to layer my position and wait for the bigger breaker structure, which should happen somewhere there. Okay, and similar story on US 30. Okay, maybe the rejection kicks in, which is due, and we then try to hop on. Okay, but of course, if the markets want to continue to sell off, we're looking at 800. Again, only a 10 pip move. So you know what? What I'm going to do is I'm going to get rid of this, and let's have the psychological 800 as our higher time frame support. Okay. Let's see. We can naturally only the ones that are on the one-on-one sessions with me, the ones that have already been through the liquidity and volume module, y'all know that at a psychological area you can expect some supply and demand to kick in. Okay, so let's go ahead and let's draw a box of demand right there. Okay, and then maybe if they want to break this, successfully convert the buyers into sellers or the demand into supply, then we could look to maybe trade that region. Okay, but as of now, they're still dropping. All right, they're still dropping. This could be a nice little sell position. Again, pre-news, pre-market open. It's up to you guys if you want to get in. Okay, I personally am going to be out of this. I'm going to wait, and I'm okay not taking any sort of trades as well. Gold, again, we have a nice little support region coming at 14.5. So let's see how they want to react at this demand down here. Our next level will be somewhere here. Okay, so let's see if maybe the sells want to drop for that much. That should be about a 25-30 pip move, 28 pips, there you go. And if the buys want to come in, we're looking at breaking this. Okay, what I am gonna do, guys, is I'm gonna mark up a short-term level right here, maybe a nice little level where we can start to layer our positions into the bigger breaker structure. Okay, so that's gonna act up as our 5-minute resistance. Okay, let's get to the chat. Hello, people. Hi. Hi, Mir Afzal Rizvi. Hi, Will. What's up, my man? Sohail. Hey, Kram. Bharat. Hello. Hi, Bharat. What is your view on Gold Kram? My only view is I'm gonna be watching it. That's the only thing that I'm gonna say right now. Okay, let's see when news releases the sort of moves that could potentially come in, but for now, I'm gonna watch it. If the sells want to come in, have a nice tight stop loss below the demand that would have turned into supply, or there's 5-minute resistance up here. Okay. In EU sells from the top, awesome. R, what's up, Ravi? I think you're Ravi. Raul, good morning, buddy. Kyle, what's up, my man? There's Ben Kingsley, there's no way to say for sure. Please do not fall into the trap of getting a reaction from a catalyst like news in a bullish or a bearish manner. Don't be looking at that because it will hurt you at some point. Let the first candle play out, and then try to find the relation between the two, because it's pretty much a gamble otherwise. You need to be a really seasoned trader in order to trade the impulses. Okay, Cash and I, we do trade the impulses in front of you guys every once in a while, but that's because we've been trading these markets for quite a bit. We've lost our money, we've made our money, and we just know how to trade those now. But I'd recommend you guys to take it easy. Let's see after the first candle, and then we'll take a call. Alright, Ben? WM, good morning, Kram. Are you Will Mason, bro? Is WM my one-on-one from today? Yes? Awesome. Alright, guys. Quick shout out to WM right here. Okay? Booked a one-on-one. The man was up doing the session at 2:30 a.m. Now that's some serious dedication. Okay? It's no joke, and okay, by the way, watch the dirty. I remember me myself learning from my mentors, because we lived in different parts of the world. I would wake up super early in the morning or not sleep and just be excited about the session. And 2:30 a.m. to stay up, get on a call. Kudos to you, brother. You're definitely on the right track, and I'm seeing your progress. Extremely happy for you. But that's the sort of dedication you need to be profitable in these markets, guys. Straight up. Okay? Good job, buddy. Okay, so impulsive drop on the dirty. Let's see, you guys. I don't like the sells. I'm not gonna lie to you. If I'm like literally, I'm not gonna hide nothing from you guys and be straight up honest with y'all. If this market starts to sell off now, or even on the news release, I'm not taking the sells. It could go 200 pips to the downside. I wouldn't care. I'm just not gonna get in on these sells because it doesn't respect TA to me. Okay, and I make my money off of price action, so that's the only thing that I'm gonna respect. Okay, so you guys are more than welcome to hop in on the sells if y'all like, but it's just not the way I trade. Okay, so we have a nice TP marked out over there in case the sells do want to play out. So let's see, and yeah. Okay, let's bring that slightly lower, even though that's going to be our breaker structure above the early. But who are we to not take this trade in case it wants to come through? Okay, so as y'all can see, we are respecting that demand. What is demand? It's a region of buyers. Okay, and what do? We picked up buyers from that zone of demand. So now let's see. Naturally, this makes me believe that we're also going to come into some short-term supply or some short-term sellers at this 5-minute level. So let's see. Okay, maybe they want to come back down and then pick up, but I'm just going to wait and watch. All right, we have about 4 more minutes to news. It's not going to be the craziest. It's not going to be like FOMC if you guys were trading the markets yesterday. It's not going to be like that, but um, yeah, expect some sort of volume to kick in. Okay. Remember what I told you, Space? You remember 2 weeks back when we spoke? Or was it last week? I'm not sure, but I told you. It's gonna start to get juicy. It's gonna start to get juicy from now. Just watch for NFP next month. Okay. So you had a little bit of a retest to demand, which would have now turned into supply. Let's see if they want to respect that, okay? If they want to respect that and continue to push to the downside, 100% guys, knock yourselves out, okay? Our new strategy worked fucking well even on that. Lovely, man. Lovely. Looking forward to hearing all about it in the next couple of weeks from you again. Okay, y'all remember what I told you? Supply. Okay, they're not able to break past that as of right now. Just so that the chart's not too cluttered, I haven't marked out a red box. You know what? I'm just gonna mark it out anyway. Okay, so now we've basically trapped price one-on-ones. Name everything that we're seeing over here. What are the possibilities in these markets right now? What are we doing? What is price action doing on gold? Come on, you guys, get typing. We have only about 2 minutes to go. Thank you, Kyle. Thank you. Yes, Kyle is absolutely right. Guys, give me a quick second. You begin. Bye. Alright, we're learning the session. Bye. Sorry, guys. Cash was headed out, so she was just telling me bye. Trampoline, absolutely. There is the trampoline effect that could be potentially playing out as well, but we are distributing orders. Babe, do you need me to get you a can? Okay. Right. So we are currently distributing orders over here as well. So a little bit of a bearish flag, that's a possibility. Maybe a double bottom, that's a possibility. But what I really, really like is this, you guys. That's what I would really be looking for. Okay. Which is why we have the buys into that zone. All right, so a minute to go. Let's see, guys. Let's see. Okay, look at that. They're still respecting supply. Okay, so let's see. And maybe we have a nice trigger finger move up here or a trigger finger move down here. All right, 30 seconds to go. Please, guys, don't use stupid lots. Remember, these markets are not in our control, but our personal accounts, the lots we use and our risk management is the only thing that is in our control. Okay? Don't chase making money, chase not losing money. And I promise you, once you get good enough at that, you'll start making money automatically. Okay? So news in the next 10 seconds. Let's have a good one. Look at those buyers stepping in. I'm going to be trigger finger on this, trigger finger on this. If the buys want to come in, if the sells want to come in, I'm not going to do nothing. Okay, let's get it, guys. Okay, sells are in. There you go. They're dropping. All right. If anyone's in on this, be careful. Small position. Let the candle close. Okay. Positive news. Gold picking up some more buyers. Okay. Let's see. I'm gonna wait for a candle to close. Okay, you guys. Yes. Positive news. Correct. Positive news. Okay, they're dropping hard, you guys. Look at the freaking dirty and nasty. They are dropping. Yes, space. Which is why I personally may not be getting into these sells, but let's see. You know, if we close successfully and there's volume and we get the nice trampoline effect, bro, I don't see a reason to not get in. You know what I mean? Let's see. I'm gonna wait for this candle to close. And maybe we could just trade the wick fill, man. Gold. Exactly, picking up buyers from our zone of demand. I feel like gold's gonna be the better move. I would, but honestly, I had one hell of a week. Awesome, man. Oof. Nasdaq's hitting TP already on the impulse. And we hit TP on the dirty as well. Okay, I am not in on anything currently. Just watching. And yeah, let's see how it goes. Is anyone in on any sort of trades right now? This is what I mean, you guys. Look at how dirty that is on the dirty. I don't like that. Okay, I want to see where this candle closes in the next 245, and we'll make an informed, calculated decision then. But look at that. This is what I was telling you guys. Okay, wait for price to do something. Learning is more important, so not in on anything. Brilliant, bro. Thank you so much. You're always welcome, Ravi. You're too sweet, man. We appreciate people like you. Thank you so much. And we're always here to help you guys, okay? Nasdaq feeler, okay? Gold sell from 1920.99. I would appreciate if you could refrain from giving out these signals, because like I say whenever I start the session, we're not about signals, okay? I like this zone as well. Let's see, you guys. The bears really seem to be in. Maybe, just maybe, let's work this out, okay? So this impulse is a 37 pip impulse, big impulse, okay? If the candle closes over here, listen, this is for my advanced traders. It's for the ones that have done session 3 and 4 with me already, okay? So if this is the impulse, okay, and say we end up closing somewhere over here, okay? Where will retest level number 1 be? There. Retest level number 2? There. Retest level number 3? Right there. If you start to see a rejection on the retest from any of these regions, guys, hop in, because that wick fill is going to be a juicy 20 pip move in itself, okay? So we don't need to be waiting for breaker structure all the time, all right? But let's see where this candle wants to close in the next 36. Remember, retest 1, retest 2, retest 3, okay? Keep that in mind. It's a cheat code, absolutely. That's the thing. I mean, a lot of people say that, but it also it takes a level of expertise to even understand these things, you know. If only it was as easy as putting cheats in GTA 5, right? Or from the days that I remember when I was a kid, San Andreas, freaking hell. I was so fast at putting those cheats in. It's not even funny. I think I still remember them on the PS2. Memories, yes sir. Okay, let's see. Let's see if they want to close. All right, come on, give us the trampoline effect, or I am not going to be confident. All right, I need this to not happening, you guys. I would have liked for this to at least test out that wick. Come on, let's get it. Let's test that wick. Okay, come on, let's test that region out. I'm watching my MetaTrader real close. Come on, test it out, dirty. Let's do it. Okay, good. Look at where my cursor is. Okay, let's see if it's going to respect level 1. Alright, so it's trying to break past level 1. The next level we could be looking at is here, but as of right now that's still respecting. It's slightly higher than the bodies, so they're trying to penetrate back up to supply. There you go. Retest level number 2. Okay, and then that's retest level number 3. If it breaks past that, Don't even think about the sells anymore. Damn it, I'm literally walking you guys through these trades. That's crazy. Level number 3 is even the MA. Perfect. Okay, gold's still dropping. Let's see if they want to pick up some buyers and start a push back up or break down and push. Okay, gold's pretty straightforward right now. Okay, they're trying to penetrate past supply. Let's see if they want to pick up more supply or more sellers from here and start to push back down. Okay, there you go. Okay, so that was the kiss of the MA, just like Space said himself. That was them just flirting with the moving average, and maybe they want to now pick up some sellers. Right, so I'm in with $5 a pip, you guys. Small position, $5 a pip. Maybe if we start to break that, I'm gonna get in with a slightly bigger position. Okay, but small position on the rejection. There you go. I want to know who's in with me. Alright, come on, let's make that a nice red candle. The wick fill itself is 20 pips. Exactly, bro. I'm looking for frickin' 10. That's it. Looking for 10. Okay. Let's drop. Come on, Dave. Let's take a look at gold. Gold's just being stubborn right now. Okay. Come on. Let's drop. Listen, if you guys followed what I said, y'all should already be running by at least 10 pips. Okay? Change it up to break even. And let price do what it wants to do. Come on. Give us the drop. 30. And I'm still only in with $5 a pip, okay? I'm looking to possibly get a nice drop from here for the wick fill for anything bigger. But looking good as of right now. You with me, Will? Awesome. Okay, and where can your stop loss be for this guy? Up there. Simple. Okay, so even if this goes against me, I'll be down $50. Okay, no problem at all. It's like a feeder position on my account. Always put in the habit of setting your stop losses, guys. It's super, super important. Okay? Okay, let's see the drop. I'm watching gold indices hate me. Well, you're one of the first people to say that, bro. It's usually the opposite. Gold is gold. It's just it's as pricey as it is, you know. Look at that red candle being formed. Come on, let's get that fill. Let's do it. Okay, and guys, don't leave the stream. Just letting you all know because I do have a little bit of an announcement to make. Nope, it's not another giveaway again. Not so quick, but yeah, it's something to do with the stream schedule. Okay, so stick around. And we'll see. Okay, and same retest level applies there and there. Guys, I'm going to set a stop loss in on this because like you all know, my bias was anyway towards the buys. I'm just trying to go with the flow and trade price action the way it's presenting itself to me. So I'm going to set a stop loss in on this, okay? I'm okay taking an L for 10 pips with a feeler rather than just being stubborn and staying in on the trade. Okay, give me a second. Okay, stop loss is in. Gold, not doing much, you guys. Gold's not doing much. Is anyone in on anything as of right now, or are we just watching? So my man, what's up? Welcome back. It's been a while, and yes, just like Space said, you missed the 100, bro. Dirty with a tight stop loss, good. Nothing, watching patiently. Hey man, I got on US 30 with you. Sorry for the caps. It's all good, Dinosaurus. Just watching, learning, dirty tight SL. Okay, good, good. I'm in on dirty as well, tight stop loss. It goes against my trading style. You know, these sells, I'm in it because I want to give you guys a move, and I know a lot of y'all trade more confidently knowing that I'm in on it with you, so I'm okay to take a small L for you guys, okay? All right, another retest of our supply zone incoming. Choppy, you guys. You see, this is what I meant. We had the impulse, but still choppy. Okay. I may just get stopped out on this, and we'll then start gearing up for the buys. Okay? Let's see. In gold buys with a tight stop loss, I like that part. I think that could be nice as of right now, for sure. I like the idea of having a small position and layering it up to the bigger breaker structure that's going to happen up here, you know? But let's see, man. Okay, I'm still not stopped out on this trade though. It almost hit my stop loss, but it didn't. Okay, my stop loss is up there. Okay, looks like we're gonna get stopped out. Stopped out. Alright, so I took an L for 11 pips on this guy, 55 bucks. Okay, now I'm just gonna wait and watch and let price give us a clear direction. Okay, I got stopped out on this. If you guys are in on this as well, I hope you'll have that as your stop loss. Okay, what's messed up is right now this could still close down here and still make the move back down, you know, so that's still a possibility, but I'm not going to get into any sort of sells again. I'm going to wait for price to do its thing. I'm okay not taking the trade today either. Gold's in its demand zone. Yes it is. Let's see, come on Goldie, come on, let those buyers step in. Okay, gold's oversold on the 515 and the early. Okay, and we're most likely going to attempt to hit the 50. Just gonna mute you guys real quick. I try to make zones by my own. I lost 1.5% yesterday. It's okay, brother. Listen, with the analysis, it takes time, man. You know, we've been doing this 3 times a day, every day for about 6 years, 5 years at a stretch now. So it takes time, but it's one of those things, you know, the more you do it, the better you're going to keep getting at it, Karan. And yeah, you're going to see it become pretty natural the more you do it. Okay, losing momentum on the MACD and making divergence on the RSI. Yes, which is why I'm against the sells. But like I said, all right, maybe if I had a slightly more generous stop loss, maybe if my stop loss was at our buy entry, I could have been making some money on this. But it's all good, I'm not complaining. Okay. Gosh, there's nothing happening in these markets right now. Okay, now they're building up some buyers or some demand based off of that wick. And there are going to be some buyers here for the US 30. Damn it, you know what this makes me realize on gold? This makes me realize that there's probably going to be a big fat market open move. I'm not gonna lie, just looking at this volume, this is not typical for gold right now. You know, just looking at that volume, a move's coming, okay? It's coming for sure. This weekend, can we have this session? Yeah, I think we should be able to fit it in. Message Cash, okay? And she'll tell you what the situation is. Okay, so I'm probably just gonna break the news because a lot of you seem to be leaving the stream. Cash and I are taking a much needed break. We've been here at Forex trading for you guys pretty much every single trading day for the past year, and we haven't taken any time off. But yeah, we're headed out next week. We're traveling, and sadly, the stream schedule is not going to be up, and there's a good chance that we may not have any streams at all next week. It's only for next week. We're headed out on Saturday, and we're back the following, well, not the following Monday, but the Monday of the week after. Okay, so we will give you guys some surprise streams for sure. It's really going to depend on what our plans are, what the itinerary looks like. But make sure you guys are subscribed to the verified role, because anytime I'll probably just give you guys maybe a 1 hour heads up when I can, and we'll hop on for a session and just do a quick one. Okay, so I will tag verified. Make sure you guys are subscribed to that role. If you're not, message on the chat, ask us to give you guys the role, and we will. But yeah, they're going to be last minute, and this is only going to be for next week. The week after, we get started normally with London and New York. Okay, thank you guys so much. Thank you guys so much. Thank you. Yes, we haven't taken a break in a very long time. It's not even due, it's overdue at this point, you know. And listen guys, how much ever y'all work in these markets, y'all need to realize why y'all do what y'all do. For me, it's for cash, you know. She is my wife, and if these markets don't let me spend time with her, there's no point of doing these markets. You know what I mean? So we're definitely gonna have a good time and just unwind and chill out and just spend some quality time together. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much. Yes, 100% Alpha teacher. There you go. Finally. Come on, let those buys start to kick in. Let's do it dirty. Well deserved, enjoy. Thank you both for what you're doing. Thank you, buddy. You're most welcome, all of you guys. Y'all know how much we love this community, and y'all know how passionate we are about not only our company Forex Trading, but also Forex Trading in general. So yes, thank you. It really means a lot. My bigger brother and sister, thank you so much, Space. That's so sweet, man. Okay, they tried to penetrate through, but they couldn't come out clean, as y'all can see. Choppy, you guys. Very choppy. I have 4 siblings now. Lovely. Ah, gold. Come on. Let's get some action on gold, you guys. I feel like gold's gonna be it, you know, but they're not picking up enough buyers over here, man. They're trying to test it out, but the orders that are needed to build that bullish momentum aren't being fulfilled as of right now. Okay, I do believe that they're gonna have to test out this exact level once, the 4-hour support, before we really start to pick up, because as you can see, they're making lower lows, and even though these lower lows are pretty much dead because they're just wicks, which is the range of price, we are starting to try and penetrate, you know. So I feel like we have to test out that 4-hour support before actually starting to pick up some momentum. Starting to look a little bit like an inverse head and shoulders to me as well. So let's see. Okay, and there's a bigger inverse head and shoulders that's playing out right here. So if you look at the whole picture, it would end up being something like that, or even like that, and push. Okay. Slippage Tusu. That's why. Gotta get used to the dirty games your broker plays, huh? It is what it is, man. I mean, sometimes it works in our favor, like it did for you right now, but other times it can really come to bite us in a place that you don't want to be bit. Okay, that's some movement on gold. Let's see. I think gold will go till 1912. Possible, bro. Possible. That's all possible. Okay. But now let's see if they want to close there in the next 2 minutes and 40, because as of right now, we're getting that touch. Stay away from any sort of trades right now, you guys. I'm gonna be very honest with y'all. Pretty dead. Okay, this is not tradable. I mean, yes, you could gamble and get in and out on those big wicks, but that's not trading. That's gambling. Okay, so I am just out of this whole picture as of right now. Let's wait for some confirmation. Ugh, I don't even like the sells on gold, man, but it seems like they want to give it to us. Let's see. Let's see. When Crime talks about slippage, I remember my silver trade. I showed him how it stopped me. Yes. Yes. I remember that. Entries and risk management is great. My only problem is I get scared to drop 5 or 10 lots. Any advice? Muhammad, bro, that's more than a trading related issue. That's a psychological issue that you're having, right? Listen, you need to realize that in these markets, bro, you need to make some, you need to risk some to make some. Okay, so as long as your risk is calculated, and we've spoken about the trading plan and the risk management that you need to be having, as long as you have that, you shouldn't be freaking out into getting into any sort of trades. Just set up your stop losses, set up your take profits, watch structure, and then let price do its thing. You know, you need to realize that even if you take an L and it's a calculated L, it's a calculated L. You know, so it's all good. There's nothing to be stressing about. Okay. I remember space. I actually used that example with quite a few people. Okay, and as we said, they did pierce through, but they didn't close, and now they're taking it back up above the zone of buyers. Okay, the last 7 seconds. I want to see if they're going to close in our demand zone, and they're closing in the demand. Okay, so still nothing on this. Fuck, look at how choppy that's getting. Beautiful supply. Okay, guys, give me a quick second. I just need to quickly send across a message, okay? Okay. Let's see, they're trying. A calculated L is acceptable, an uncontrolled L is not 100%. I couldn't have said that better myself, brother. Okay, come on. I'm gonna set up an order for the dirty, okay, you guys? Okay, look at that momentum finally kicking in. Okay, there you go. If we break that high, I'm getting in. I didn't get the time to set an order. But if we break that high, which is where I told you guys I'm going to be looking to get in, I'm going to get in. Okay, let's see. Okay. Nope. Nothing as yet. Now, what do we have to do? We have to wait for this candle to close. Okay, and Nasdaq picking up some sell. Guys, I want you all to note how these markets are just they're not giving us anything definitive today. You know, this is a great learning lesson, because however good of a technical trader you might be, if you're just going to jump into trades, it's most likely going to go against you. You know, so I hope this is something that you guys are able to pick up, and just realize that you have to be versatile to trade these volatile markets. Okay, that's correct, Space. That's what I'm seeing as well. Let's see, the Ali swap's going to kick in the next 2 minutes. Come on, I just want this to close in our box. You know, that's my only thing. Otherwise, I feel like they're going to play games again up until market open. So I really want them to close in the next 2 minutes within that box, and maybe we get a nice early move. And even on gold, okay, we penetrated through. We're now finally maybe starting to make higher highs rather than lower highs. I want you all to note that, guys. Okay, it's all in the details. Okay, we were making lower lows, and I told you guys that, you know, it looks like we want to penetrate through that 4-hour support, pick up as many buyers as we can, and the next candle when we do that is now a higher high. Okay, look at that, dirty. Thank you for letting me know, Parv. And again, same story. Could expect that, and that. Okay, if the trampoline effect comes in, well and good. If it doesn't and you're quick enough, catch your 10, 15 pips, whatever it is. Okay? Okay, I'm in. Not the biggest position, because I realized that this could close, but just because my bias was bullish. I'm in. Okay? There you go. That's fucking push. Let's do it. There you go. Okay. All right. Boom. I'm running by about 5, 6 pips at this point. 5, 6 pips. I'm in with $100 a pip. Okay, no 300s. I'm gonna change this to break even because I don't want to deal with this drama. Okay, I'm in a break-even position, and we hit TP on the dirty, and we're still fucking climbing. All right, I'm gonna start to liquidate my position, you guys, just because I'm already up. There you go, finally, finally. Those buys and the momentum is kicking in. I do not want to wait for that for the rejection to come in, so I'm just pulling it, guys. I'm pulling it. Boom. Okay, look at the friggin' buys, you guys. This is the power of price action. Price action, and just like Alpha Degen said, discipline. I told you guys I'm getting into that little trade for y'all, just to get y'all to feel a little more confident. Guys, I liquidated my position. Okay, I liquidated my position for exactly 19 pips. 19 pips on $100 a pip, 1900. Alright, I just cashed out 1900, and no runners, no nothing. I'm fucking done for this session. But discipline, you guys. This is also what I mean by being versatile in these markets. We tried out the sells didn't work. We were in with a small position. When we realized that these markets are being choppy, that's when we looked at the whole analysis and we were like, ugh, this is a bullish market. You know, I told you guys this is a bullish market before I got into those sells. You know what I mean? So it's it's this grind, and this comes with time. Okay, this comes the more you trade these markets. So don't sit there thinking that, man, Cram and Cash can do it this way and we can't. The truth is, we just put in that much more time into these markets, you guys. Y'all spend the time, y'all will be able to do this as well. I've been telling this to y'all for the past 1 year from day one. We do not have a magic ball in front of us, guys. We don't. Okay, we literally only and only just trade price action. We trade everything zone to zone, and we just let price do its thing. Look at that. And we go and we hit TP straight up at supply. Is gold doing something? Okay, gold's gearing up as well. Look at the dirty, man. Oh, Christ, this makes me so happy. This makes me so happy. I love it. I love it. I want to see W's in the chat. How many of you guys caught dirty? Also, this is gonna be the last time you'll hear my voice for probably the next 9 or 10 days. Okay, so show us some love, and let us know that you guys. Okay, there you go. Now the W's start pouring in. Awesome, awesome. I love it. Okay, and I think actually I take that back, because you guys I'm probably going to be doing London tomorrow. So the ones that are going to be trading London, I am going to be filling in for Cash, because I don't know, women, she's out and about shopping. She's getting her stuff ready for our mini vacation, and yeah, she told me to just take care of it. So who am I to say no to the wife, right? Small W, W, W. Good stuff, you guys. Okay, W's are in, and choppy, but with patience, clean move. Space, did you catch that, bro? Happy wife, happy life. 100%, brother. 100%. I reckon a lot of the people that trade with us on here are slightly younger. I mean, I'm not that old myself, but a lot of them don't have wives, and having a wife is very different from having a girlfriend. I'm just gonna put that out there. Cram trading to pay the bills tomorrow? Yes, that's correct. That's correct. Okay, candle closed, and now I feel like we've hit our zone. Okay, expect them to come back down, pick up. It's difficult not over leveraging on micro accounts to build capital. Any thoughts or any strategies to overcome? It's a hard thing to do, bro. To be fair, the way you trade a small retail account and the way you trade a big funded account are extremely different. And yes, it is harder. There's no, well, I have seen people that, I haven't done it personally, but I have seen people that have successfully grown $100 account to 500,000 and even 5,000. So I know that yes, it's possible, but the thing is, you need to realize that's a lot more risky, because your risk is going to be a lot higher. You can't be risking 1% per trade. It's going to take forever. You're pretty much going to be risking a lot more. So but still, as long as you have a solid trading plan, it's still going to be pretty within your money and risk management. Okay. why don't you record sessions and upload on YouTube now? I'm sorry, like I said, the past 2 weeks for us has been a little hard, but we're gonna get back once we're back from our vacation, back on YouTube, back everywhere, and the past streams will be up as well, and everything will be at your disposal. Okay. Crime, any suggestion for funded account with good spreads? It sees that FTMO not great for that. Yes, the spreads on FTMO for the indices aren't the best, but it's not the worst either. I think FTMO and funded next. Those are the only ones. So Neha, we're currently using FTMO, and it's really not that bad. I mean, I literally got it on this trade on my Hanko Trade account, which the spreads are beautiful. But Cash has been telling me that with FTMO, it's a little more. It's not so bad at all. So don't be stressing. Please do it, sir. It's a huge help for me. Beginners, absolutely, brother. Don't worry. They're gonna get started again, and yes. Your technical analysis is superb and makes perfect sense. Thank you, brother. You're most welcome. You're most welcome. Okay, listen. With the way we do things, I keep telling you guys, our style of trading is the simplest. I mean that. We don't use nothing fancy. We don't use the indicators. We don't use anything of that sort. It's just simple. You know, we tell you guys, and we come from non-financial backgrounds ourselves. We're artistic people. We're both filmmakers. We're both actors. We are. I mean, coming into the world of finance, the world of trading is a completely alien thing to us back then, right? But it just boils down to the fact that we picked it up in the most simple way, practiced it enough, and built what we built here in front of you guys. And that's what we give you with 100% transparency. You know, we're not going to complicate nothing. I wish that I had a teacher like myself, the way I am with the one-on-ones back when I started trading, because I would have just fast-tracked my whole journey here. But everything has a reason. Right? If I wouldn't have been through the things that I went through, I probably wouldn't be here teaching you guys, making your profit. Okay, so no complaints, nothing, it's all good, but it's just, we try to give you guys as much, and that's always been our motto here at Forex Trading. I'm not kidding when I tell you guys that this is your trading group. We're building this group, yes, we're leading this group, yes, but this is your trading group. Okay? So it's always going to be that way, and we're always going to strive to give you the most value that we possibly can through these sessions. Cram, I have a question about one-on-one sessions. Where should I ask you? Are you Karanveer, bro? I'm just slightly pissed off that as soon as I bought 50k challenge, they got shot down. I know. Why do you not share your life story? We're a family too. I appreciate that, but to be fair, Cash and we're extremely private people. Like we're very. I mean, I'm very open with you guys. Y'all know everything about me. Y'all know my real name. Y'all know a lot of y'all follow me on Instagram, and I know that it's just we try to be as open as we can, but it's just we don't take anything for granted. You know, Cash and I, both of us, we don't take nothing for granted, and we just like keeping our private lives private. Yeah, I know a lot of y'all have probably seen the flexing videos on Instagram and have come here, but it probably takes y'all one session to realize that that's to pull people in. You know, whenever y'all hop onto these live sessions, it's never about the money. You know, it's always about the pips, and that's how it should be. But you've got to do certain things to build a group, at least in the beginning days, you know, and it's been a learning process for all of us. Cash, myself, Millzone, Yano, it's been a learning process. We've been tweaking it on the go, and it's the first time we're doing this as well. You know? So you'll never find me and Cash, even tell y'all where we're going next week, literally. You'll never find me and Cash showing you guys what we drive. You'll never find me and Cash showing you guys where we stay, and just what it is. It's just, we're private and we like it that way. Karanveer, just message me, bro. No problem. Just message me on Discord, whatever you need to ask me, and I'll answer you. Privacy is actually great, 100%, brother. Totally got you. What's your Insta? My Instagram is Mark Mekwan. That's my name for the ones that don't know. And yeah, just hop on to Forex Trading. You'll see me bash some of the haters on there. That's all I use Instagram for anymore. I've been off social media for a very long time. But with all the negativity that there is on Instagram with our videos and just in general on social media, you'd see me fighting back and putting people in that place. So catch me there. It's Mark Mekwan. 100%. Keep your personal life personal. Agreed. I know where you stay, India. Ugh, big ass country, isn't it? It's gonna be hard to pinpoint where. Even you probably know the city as well, but it's still gonna be hard to pinpoint. Okay, guys, the markets are starting to get slower. Should I stay for market open? What do y'all think? Fuck it. I'll stay for market open. I am gonna be gone for a couple of days, so I'm gonna be there. That's fine. I have no clue which city. We're in Mumbai. We're in Mumbai. You received the follow request. Awesome, Pug. I'll look at it once I'm done with the session. I'm from Chennai. Lovely, bro. Lovely. Okay. Nasdaq now. I mean, just look at that, right? That's just. It looks like they want to freaking push up. Okay, straight up. But guys, give me a second. Sorry, guys. My CA is getting in touch with me. I need to reply to this. Anytime you're here is appreciated, so if you stay for market open, it's a plus. Thank you, man. You're too sweet, brother. No, I'll definitely stay for market open. We'll watch the first 5 minutes and then we'll call it, okay? Doing a pretty long stream after quite some time today. Okay, and you'll remember what I told you, right? From the supply, we're gonna most likely start a kickback down. And now this same supply is gonna act up as demand. Okay, just like support flips to resistance, resistance flips to support the same way supply and demand flip as well. Okay, anyone that tells you otherwise doesn't know what they're talking about. Which is good, XNES or XM according to you? To be fair, I haven't used either. Anyone that's still on this call, has anyone used XNES or XM? If y'all have, please let Angad know, and that'd be very helpful. Damn it, look at gold. Gold's just not nice. Gold's not nice at all. Okay, and also for the one-on-ones, if anyone from the 50 of you that are still here, if anyone's not booked up as yet and want to be mentored by me personally on your Forex journey, let me know. Message up on the general chat, and Cash will message you after, whenever she gets the time, whenever she's done shopping. Alright, so yes, message up. We go in depth. We have about 180 people on the one-on-ones with us in the past 1 year, and it's a brilliant program. And this is not me saying it, this is what people have told me. Cash and I have basically just put our 8 years of experience into 5 sessions. That's pretty much what we've done. All the good, all the bad, all the things that didn't work, all the things that worked. We just created the information that you need to start making money in these markets. Okay? So if anyone, if you're a beginner, if you're at an intermediate level, if you're an advanced trader, we've still got you covered. Alright, so anyone that is interested, please message up, and CashFX will take care of you. Okay? Gold is being gold. Gold is being gold. Let's see. Now clearly we've got to wait for market open for any sort of moves to kick in. And listen, for next week, for the ones who are going to be here and not on London tomorrow, please be careful when you're going to be trading yourselves, okay? Next week, expect volatility in these markets. There is going to be news as well. Drop your lots, especially if you're on live accounts. On the demo accounts, my one-on-ones, for you guys, it's fine. Go crazy. But for the others, if you're on a live account and you're going to be trading without us next week, then just trade small, okay? Make sure you have your risk management in place. Trust your analysis, and that's what will make you a better trader. Cram is lighting up to not fall asleep. You got that right, Emily. Okay. The real question is, what am I lighting up? You know what I mean? If you know, you know. Okay, gold. I have a wild guess. You're probably right. I'm sure. Okay. Do y'all think we could drop lower on Nasdaq? I feel like we can. By lower, I mean I have a feeling that Nasdaq can test out these lows. Let's see. How about we mark up a 5-minute zone right there, okay? And if so, basically what I'm telling you guys to do is look at something like that, TP there for a quick scalp for market open in case that wants to happen. Okay. We can, but I wouldn't want it to. Me neither, man. But gotta do what we've got to do, right? Goldilocks is still playing with our feelings. I feel positive for the dirty from demand. Yes, me too, me too. Me too. I do believe that we are going to test this out. So you could have a nice buy entry on the rejection over here up to supply as well. That's good. Okay, 10 more minutes to market open. How many of y'all are going to be on London tomorrow? My New York folks, how many of y'all are going to be on London tomorrow? Are we going to have a good number, or is it going to be 10 or 20 of y'all? Okay, all the regulars, me. Okay, cool. Let's see what the markets want to do tomorrow, and we close the week strong. I will be that for sure. Okay. Lovely. Listen. Cash absolutely nails London. I'm not even half as good at that session as she is. So I'm going to try my best and I'll try to make you guys your pips. Okay? But she's an absolute beast when it comes to the London market open. She's got away with these markets, man. It's truly ridiculous to me as well. I watch her trade London. I'm like, fuck. You know, that's my wife. Yeah, it's very crazy. I always try. It's like 2:30 a.m. for me. Hey man, I appreciate that. That's some serious dedication, brother. Seriously, good on you. This is what pays off. I promise you that. Okay, the work you put in, it never goes in vain. Okay, it will always pay off. Hard work always shines. You have a pending request on Insta. I'll check it out right after the session, buddy. I'm no expert, but on a quick analysis, Nasdaq will drop fast, around 50 pips or less before going up to the moon. Agree? Possible. That's why I'm saying I feel like we could still drop. Let's see. Let's see. It's also that psychological 800. You know, Emily, that's a strong level we're at. So my only thing is, if we do happen to penetrate from there, we're gonna get some serious buyers stepping in. You know, at that 800 region. So which is pretty much the top of our supply zone. So we're gonna have to see. Gold, finally, some buyers starting to step in. What do we want to do on gold? We want to break that. Okay, we want to break this maybe in the next couple of minutes. We want to close up there, retest that, or retest that, or maybe even just push in the supply and retest the supply, and then boom, push. Okay. Alright, watch out for this zone as well. Okay, it's possible. Let's see if they want to hold. I'm going to fix up supply to there. Let's see if they want to hold. And I'm not going to be watching the dirty right now. I'll only be interested in the dirty if we happen to break this pushing higher. Okay, gold. Watch out. And as y'all can see, we're exactly getting rejected from that trend line we spoke about. Choppy day, but decent moves, guys. Good number of pips, I'm not gonna lie. Pretty choppy, but we still make our way through. Let's take a quick look at DXY as well. Okay, DXY, pretty simple, straightforward. Structure. Oh, that's all you need on the DXY. Okay. And a push down here could result into that. Push up here could result into that. Well, let's have it side by side. Let's see what they want to do. Alright, so this bullish move is finally starting to look good. One-on-ones, what do we see? What are we seeing on the dollar right now? Thank you. HNS. Alright, nice head and shoulders, which could give us bearish momentum with the DXY, and a nice triple bottom, which could give us bullish momentum into gold. Alright, so this only gives me more confidence that if we start to push down here, these buys are starting to look good. Pure head and shoulders, 100%. Clean. There, and there. Okay, RSI is supporting it as well. We haven't gone overbought, yes. So maybe that's also a possibility. Okay, maybe we end up doing something like that. That's also a possibility, keep that in mind. But irrespective of whether we want to make that double top, we still have our entry in order for that to happen, which should align up with gold as well. Okay, if we push higher, we'll drop down over here. Okay, and if we push lower, we'll push up higher over here. There's a head and shoulders and a head and shoulders and a head and shoulders. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, there you go, starting to drop. Let's see if this candle wants to close on the DXY. Okay, Nasdaq picking up some buyers as well. This, to me, that's a good enough zone. Okay, good enough zone, but I would be looking to close above that. And if we don't happen to close, you guys, listen carefully. If we don't happen to close, if we don't happen to break past the supply, your sells are going to be from down here. You don't need to wait for price to come here. You could be shorting this market from the 83 region and make your money. Come on, gold. Pop off. Alright, I know a lot of you guys are waiting for gold. Let it happen. Okay, as y'all can see, drop on gold, pop on, drop on the dollar, pop on gold. Okay. Okay, 30 is trying. We want to break past that supply and get that move. Okay, but let's see. I'm gonna set another. No, you know what? I'm not doing it. I was gonna say that I'm gonna set another order for gold, but then I just realized that I have no reason to. Okay, I have to stop myself when I'm also only human. I have tendencies to overtrade as well, and yeah, I'm not gonna do it. Screw it. I'm here for you guys. Okay. Okay, drop, pop. Come on, let's get it. Dollars on the 200. Lovely. We still have room to come down to the 200. All the way up there. Okay. TP. Nothing is closed as yet. You know, you want this to close in our box before we have any sort of moves coming. Someone posted on the forex memes. I think it was Karan, if I'm not wrong, but they had like Google Maps up and it looked like a head and shoulders, and I was like, fuck, it's not just me. You know, I see these everywhere, like in my day-to-day life, on my phone, everywhere. All I'm looking for is price action. You know, it's crazy, but yeah, that had me laughing, bro. It was me, yeah. Okay. Oops. I didn't see that. It's okay. Let's mark up this level. Let's wait for the break of that. Okay, there you go. Again, 27 seconds. Don't hop in on this right now. But the buys are really kicking in. Okay, that's crazy. Sorry, that's a pre-market open. Yes, my phone's away. I'm not doing anything. I'm gonna just watch for you guys. Resist mark, yes sir. Alright, let's see. 5 seconds to market open, guys. Have a good one. Don't be going crazy. Watch for NASDAQ as well. Okay? This is market open. Retest, reject. Come on, let's freaking push. Let's get that. Okay, again, close, retest, rejection, and let's see. Trade this, you guys. This is all you, okay? Ugh, I didn't like how dirty that was on NASDAQ right now, but they're going, okay? They're trying to push. They're trying to hit TP. Okay, anyone in on, excuse me, anyone in on NASDAQ or the US 30? Clean moves. Okay, gold still not doing shit. In on 30. Okay, careful. Look at NASDAQ freaking pushing. Look at that. Look at the momentum stepping in on NASDAQ. You made 10% on the dirty, bro. That's fucking insane, man. Good. Means you liquidated. Good stuff, okay? Because that rejection is real. Okay. Let's see if they want to hold, but it looks like they're going to still continue to chop. Okay, guys, give me a quick second. I need to take this call. It's my CA again. Hello?
हेलो
हाँ जी.
हाँ सर ये बाकी का बैलेंस क्लियर कर दो ना तो ये
हाँ
भी
जी
कर देते हैं।
हाँ जी मुझे बस
हाँ,
ज़रा मैं ज़रा अभी काम पे मुझे 10 मिनट दे दीजिए मैं अभी क्लियर कर देता हूँ मैं बस अभी काम पे हूँ राइट
नो
10 मिनट में मैं करता हूँ
प्रॉब्लम, नो
थैंक यू
प्रॉब्लम, नो प्रॉब्लम, नो
थैंक यू
प्रॉब्लम।
Nasdaq's really pushing and the dirty is really dropping. Um, but yeah, Nasdaq's the move as of right now. Hey, Space, my man, look at that. Look at that. Capitalizing at its peak. I love it, bro. Congratulations. Um, couldn't be happier for you, man. Intense. Gonna have the indices open. Hmm. Okay, dirty is really getting rejected, you guys. And now Nasdaq as well. What is going on with these markets? It's all over the place right now. Okay, let's see for the retest and let's see for the retest. Okay, solid rejections coming in, and it's time to say goodbye to these markets because now they're just playing games. Okay, the market open is this. We had the push, we now have the pull, and it's probably going to keep happening. It's probably going to keep happening. Okay, still dropping. Anyone in on these sells? There's a nice zone over here, but if we break this, guys, we're gonna bleed. We're gonna bleed if we happen to break that. Okay, so far it's a high low. Okay, and gold didn't give us anything. Gold's still distributing orders. Watch for gold. Okay, it may happen, it may not happen, but yeah, something or the other most likely will end up happening though. Okay, Nasdaq pushing higher. Okay, and this again we picked up. Y'all remember me telling you that there's going to be some demand over here, so that's what we're doing. We're picking up demand. Nasdaq's trying to go and hit TP. Okay, they're trying. They're trying real hard. Okay, you guys, do we have any questions or are we good to call it a session? It was a freaking long session today. Y'all know me, I don't like staying on for too long. Nonetheless, I'm still here for an hour and 20 minutes. It was a choppy session, but it was a session that I'm sure a lot of y'all learned a lot from. I know at least I did. Okay, we literally walked through trades today We spoke about what the entries were supposed to look like. We spoke about what the exits were supposed to look like. And we basically do this on the one-on-ones, but more in depth and more customized to you. Okay, so like I said, I'm always gonna be transparent to you guys. We don't have any secrets. There's no secret sauce. There's no magic ball. There's nothing of that sort. Okay, we're just here to give you guys everything at face value. Okay, so today was an intense session, a lovely session. Let's post it up on success stories. Okay, doesn't matter if you made some money. Doesn't matter if you made some fake money. Doesn't matter if you didn't trade and just learned today. That in itself calls for a success story. So make sure to go and post up. And again, for the one-on-ones, very, very limited slots, you guys. Very limited slots. So we're getting filled up. We're almost, well, we were supposed to stop taking, stop new intakes about 3 days back, but we had 2 people that requested cancellations because of, well, personal issues. But that opens up more slots for you guys. Okay, so we're booked till December. If you guys want to learn these forex markets the right way, and if I want to just be mentored by Cash and myself, then go ahead and join up, because I can promise you, we're going to give you guys as much value as we possibly can, and we're not going to let you leave the session with you thinking that, damn it, that wasn't good enough. Okay, we strive to do this. We are always pushing to get better, and we're always trying to make you guys better when it comes to these forex markets as well. Okay, so if you guys want to join up, just say hi on the general chat, or just say hi, I'm interested in the one-on-one sessions. Cash will message you, or if you want to just open up a support ticket, you can do that as well. It's up to you. Okay, thank you guys so much, and like I keep saying, we're building an army of millionaires, so it's up to you if you want to join, learn, be part of what we do over here, and if not, well, that's on you. We're still going to continue to do what we do. Okay, I really appreciate each and every one of you guys. Have a great rest of the day, afternoon, evening, night, whatever it is, wherever you guys are. I will see you all in the next couple of hours for London Market Open, with, sadly, and I really say this with a heavy heart, but it's sadly going to be the last session, most likely the last session that we do for you guys for at least the next 10 days. Okay, I promise we'll try our best to surprise you guys with a couple of New York Opens, probably not London, or maybe London as well. Actually, I'm not too sure, but we'll try and do our best with some sessions for you guys. But please forgive us if we're not able to. Okay, thank you guys so much. I appreciate each and every one of you. I'll see you guys in the next couple of hours. I'm Mark, aka CramFX. My partner is Cash, and this is Forex Trading, you guys. Signing out. I fucking love you guys. Bye. Have a good one.